Looking for a way to optimize your data usage experience on your OnePlus phone? Well, look no further. Here's how you can set data usage limit on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up Settings, then tap on Mobile Network. Here you will find the data usage option. Tap on it. Now tap on Data Usage Limit. Here you will find three options: daily, monthly, and start calculating data usage from. Let's tap on the daily data usage limit. First, make sure to turn it on. Then enter your number, like I want to set a 2 GB limit in a day. Enter 2 and then tap on MB. Now select GB from here. Then you can set an alert option when the data limit is reached. You can set send alert only or send alert and turn off mobile data. Select one of them. I recommend you to select send alert and turn off mobile data. That means when you reach the 2 GB limit, your data will turn off automatically. Finally, tap done. And all set. In this way, you can set monthly data usage as well. And there you have it, folks. Taking control of your data usage on your OnePlus phone is as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more OnePlus tips and tricks coming your way.